We're at Nant-y-Gwyddon again, and this is, I do believe, video 4. So you've got this wonderful wall running along here, this building at Nant-y-Gwyddon that we were talking about here, and as it sort of sweeps around. And then, interesting enough, this sort of linear structure that sort of dated from the 1800s, and there's this round building here that I mentioned could possibly be of Iron Age date. It's very sort of similar to ones at Holyhead Mountain, but the thing is, it could be much later. It's associated with this wall structure. Some of them are actually built under the wall, alongside the wall, so it's really difficult to work out what date they are actually. But along this landscape, I'm informed that they found lots of dates of different pottery from the Bronze Age all the way through Roman and medieval. And interesting enough, what we've got this sort of structure, circular structure, and you've got this linear wall running across, and then it sweeps off. And what's interesting as well, it sweeps off, and there's a bit of a drop. Now this drop as well follows this wall all the way along. So I thought it could have been sort of fill for a much later road. But interesting enough, this old wall here runs all the way down. It actually drops down then, and actually drops all the way through to where the tip is in the distance. So you've got this wall, drops down about 2 meter drop, plus comes up here. So this wall's of actually quite some date. Anyway, this is KARL-JAMES Langford. This is video 4, and we're at Nant-y-Gelli. I keep on getting this wrong. Nant-y-Gwyddon. Nant-y-Gelli. Nant-y-Gwyddon. Nant-y-Gwyddon. Anyway, sorry about the pronunciation of the place. Thank you very much.